Hey, it's Sarahhelpsyoumove, and today we've got an awesome community in Parrish, south of Tampa, to show you.
We are here in Salt Meadows in Parrish. This is a Meritage Homes community. Let's check it out. We are at the Hibiscus model by Meritage Homes. This is 1988 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look at the Hibiscus model. Save on your electric bill with spray foam insulation in the attic. They've got about 7 different floor plans left on size 40 and 50-foot lots. They've got 2-story and single-story homes available, and they are all single family homes that are detached, so no villas in this community. Some of the benefits of living in a community like this with an HOA is that they do have a clubhouse and other amenities to take advantage of. You've got cornhole lit up at night here. You've got pickleball courts. You do have a dog park, a playground, volleyball, and then a lovely outdoor resort-style swimming pool. In the clubhouse, of course, you can rent it out and reserve it for a party, but they do have a fantastic state-of-the-art fitness center as well. Next to the clubhouse, you'll find the community mailboxes. Book a call with me in the links below and subscribe for more tours.